This is just a motor testing video. So, it's an A.O. Smith motor, 4-speed, single phase, 115 volt. Takes a capacitor, motor starter of 10 microfarads, 7 amps, 4-speed motor. Red is low, yellow medium low, blue medium high, that's for heat, black heating, or H for high, cooling, white is common, brown and white and brown are the capacitors. So we got an OL there, and then we'll go to ground first. Coming in off the common to the ground, that's 0, OL. I did not put ground on here. It shows OL. Now we're going to go to the speed taps. Black is high, so it should have the lowest number. So we got 3. That's ohms of resistance. Now we'll go to blue, medium, high. See it step up to 4. Go to yellow. See we got 5. And then we got low fan, which is red, and that is 6. What you see is 3, 4, 5, 6. Nobody crossed out to OL for an open circuit. Go back to that ground one more time to show you what the open circuit was if the windings were hitting. Right? So then now I'm going to go with just any wire and put any speed tab onto the ground, and this would simulate that one of these motor speeds is burnout inside the windings back to the casing. See that? Got black, which is 3. Red will go all the way to the top. 6. Grounded to the chassis, shows electricity following through. Common, this chassis, and this ground. Yellow, you got the 5. Let's see what happens if we cross any. So I just went ahead and blue and yellow together. And let's see. And the red still comes up to 6. It does not register any other phases or any other speed taps. Okay. So that's just a simple with the ohm meter. Check the windings to a single phase motor. Willie's Heating and Cooling.